Tav X. Hebrews, if you don't got to come out here this morning or today, do not come out here, okay? You see the snow trucks and the ice trucks out here. That's what those are to my left over there, okay? It's very dangerous out here, very snowy. It's going to be doing this all day. I don't know about you guys and where you from, but I'm on the East Coast, the DMV to be specific. We are not made for this kind of weather, you guys. People freak out around here. Most people are not even going to make it into slavery today. But when you're in the kind of slavery that I am, you really don't have a choice. Unless the world comes to an end, my slavery, my plantation will be open. And they made sure that we all knew that. You guys, it's very snowy, very icy, very dangerous. And this is just the beginning. It's going to do this all day into the night. But when you're a slave in the system, you got to get your paycheck because we got bills. We got people extorting us on all sides. It's called rent. It's called mortgage. It's called car insurance. It's called health insurance. It's called groceries. And that's the kind of crap that brings a nigga like me out here in a snowstorm. Snowstorm of 2025. If you guys can stay in, go ahead and do that. Some of us slaves don't have that luxury. I just wanted to give you guys a shout out and let you know your brother's out here in these streets. But if you can fall back, go ahead and do that, Hebrew. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. This first snowstorm of 2025. It's dangerous out here. Stay off the roads if you can, Hebrew. Peace.